Most people that I know and that I speak with, when it comes to investing, they think you either have to already be wealthy or be making a lot of money to get involved in the stock market. Well, I'm here to share with you guys today $25. You see that? $25 is all you need in order to start investing. There is something called fractional shares, and I am using a brokerage called Sofi Invest. Once I started paying myself first, once I made up my mind that I wanted to start investing, and once I just started, which is one of the hardest things about investing, is just starting. I'm going to show you how I took $25 a week, and now this portfolio since September has grown to almost $2,000, along with now has a 20% return. And by investing in fractional shares, I am able to invest in stocks like Tesla, Apple, Amazon, your nice high growth stocks that most people cannot afford to put 400, 300, even thousands of dollars into buying one shares. The power of fractional share investing allows us to take as little as $25 a week, invest in billion-dollar companies, and instead of being a consumer of these companies, we can actually be a owner of companies like Apple, Tesla, Amazon, and many more. And that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today as we look at the SoFi Invest fractional share portfolio. I am Marie Brown. This is my channel, Minds in Motion, where we talk about personal finances, investing, and how to become the best version of ourselves. Let's look at the portfolio. We are now in the SoFi Invest app, and we are looking at my fractional share portfolio. In this portfolio, I mostly invest in growth stocks, but I do also have a few dividend stocks, some that I will be leaving in this portfolio and some that I will be selling out of. Currently, my total contribution to this portfolio, and I started this portfolio again in September. I have received some referral bonuses for you guys using my referral link, which is listed in the description below, is $1,491.25. As you can see, my total market gains for this portfolio is currently $300.31. However, I've been paid a total of $13.97 in dividends. So for those of you who were wondering, if you invest in fractional shares and dividend stocks, you do still receive a fraction of the dividend that those companies pay out based on how much of a share you own when that company pays out their dividend. And total gains overall in this portfolio is $314.28 for a total of about a almost 20% return on this portfolio. So currently I only have a buying power of $1.81, but that's because I have not made my weekly deposit of $25 yet. I usually do that every Monday. Now we're going to look at the growth stocks that I own in this portfolio. First, we have Apple. Looking at Apple, as you can see, Apple is currently trading at $383.68. As you can see, my total value in Apple is $181.92. I own almost a half a share of Apple, and as you can see, I have a gain of $44.92. Apple hit some all-time highs this week of $393.91. So this company just has been on fire this week. Next, we have the ETF, which is a monthly paying ETF. BND, this is the total bond market ETF. I won't go into that, but as you can see, I currently almost own 2 shares. My total value is $158.71. I am up $4.77 on this particular position. Next, we have Tesla. I'm pretty sure that you guys, if you are involved in paying attention to the stock market or if you're new to the stock market, I'm sure you've been hearing about Tesla stock. It just has been on an absolute tear this week. It also hit 52-week highs this week several times. As you can see, Tesla is trading at all-time highs of $1,544.65. Analysts expect this stock to go up to $2,000. Also, there has been a lot of talk about if this stock can have some positive returns in the next quarter. I think they're going to be listed on the S&P 500 if I'm not mistaken. Tesla, of course, is the electric car company owned by Elon Musk. As you can see, my total value is $291.72. As you can see, I am up 128% on this particular fractional share. I don't even own 1/5 of a share, but as you can see, I have a gain of $163.82. And again, guys, that's the awesome thing about investing in fractional shares. I don't have to wait till I have $1,500 to invest in buying a share of Tesla stock. I can every single week take that whole $25 or take part of that $25 and I can invest it in these companies like Tesla and Apple, and I can become a part owner in these companies. And as you can see, by investing in these companies in the right time and consistently investing in these companies, I am now up $163 on my investment in Tesla. So that's the awesome thing again about investing in fractional shares. VU is another ETF by Vanguard. I currently have $66.71 in equity. I am up $2.17. Amazon is another growth company. I mean, they've been on fire this week. Also, we all know Amazon. Most of you guys spend money with Amazon every single week. Most of you guys are a Prime member of Amazon. As you can see, I own less than 1/10 of a share of Amazon, but I am currently up $49.49 for a 41% return on Amazon. And Amazon also this week has been hitting 52-week highs as well, currently trading at $3,200. And my total value is $169.98. We have 3M, which is a dividend king. I currently own $43.54 in equity, and currently I am down $1.46, but that's okay because I'm going to keep investing money in 3M. And then we have my only REIT in this portfolio. This is also the only stock that I own in the MJ sector. As you can see, I currently have $32 in equity. I am down 90 cents, but that's okay as well. The same thing goes for JP Morgan. These are all dividend paying stocks that I'm going over right now. I currently have $23 in equity. I am down $4.23 on this position. We have Berkshire B shares. I currently have $21 in equity. I am down $4.77. However, once I'm up a little bit more on this position, once this position returns from being down due to the pandemic, what I will be doing is selling out of this particular position because I already own this position in my Fidelity account as well. Then we have Costco's. I think that Costco's is a great long-term company. And currently, as you can see, I have $75 in equity. I am up $6.02 for a positive 8.72% return. We have McDonald's. McDonald's is another position that I will be selling out of in this particular portfolio because, again, I bought this in my Fidelity account as well. I only have $20 in equity. I'm down $2.55. So once I can make up some of this loss, I will be selling out of this position as well. Verizon is another position that I will be selling out of. Pfizer is another position that I will be selling out of because, again, I own this one in my Fidelity account. When I first started this portfolio, I was buying dividend companies, but once the market began to drop due to the pandemic, I decided that I wanted to just focus on growth stocks in this portfolio. So I started to buy those companies when they were selling at a lower price in my Fidelity account. And my goal is to sell out of these companies and use that equity to buy more growth stocks in this portfolio. Maybe add some new ones or just keep investing in the ones that I already have. Next, we have Netflix. Netflix has been doing awesome also this week. As you can see, Netflix is up 8% this week. My current value is $146.53. As you can see, I am up $37.53. I don't even own but a quarter of a share, and my total return is 34.43% positive. Next, we have Waste Management. I will be selling out of this position as well. I also own it in my Fidelity account. Next, we have Kroger's. Kroger's is one company that I will be leaving in this portfolio. As you can see, I own 4 shares of Kroger. Kroger is a supermarket. And as you can see, it is a dividend paying stock. My total value is $138.33. My average cost is $31.66. I am up $7.33 for a 5.60% positive return. We have Microsoft. I will be continuing to hold Microsoft in this portfolio. As you can see, my current equity is $53.91. I am up $9.91 for a positive 22.52% return. Wells Fargo. I will be selling out of this position. I also sold out of Wells Fargo out of my Fidelity account. As you know, they will be cutting their dividends soon. So I already own JP Morgan Chase. I already own People's Financial Bank in my Webull account, and then I also own some ETFs that have some financial stocks in it. So I just didn't feel like I needed to own Wells Fargo. So I will be cutting this position once I can get a little bit more equity back in this particular position. Next, we have IBM. I also own IBM in my Fidelity account, so I will be selling out of this position. Coca-Cola is another one that I own in my Webull portfolio, so I also will be selling out of this position. American Airline. I mean, we all know what's going on with the airline stocks. NRZ, we all know what's going on with that. Shout out to Rico Suave Investing. He does a lot of coverage on NRZ. So if you're interested in finding out more information on this particular stock, make sure that you check out Rico Suave Investing because he's always creating content around NRZ. Southwest, I will also be selling out of this position. BP, I'll be selling out of this position. Iron Mountain, we'll get rid of that. And next we have Activation Blizzard. This is an awesome company. As you can see, it has been going up this week. My total value in this company is $75.77. I am close to owning 1 share. Probably this week. Next time when I make a video, I'll have at least 1 share in this particular stock. I am up 16.57% for a $10.77 return. And then we have Roku. Roku has been absolutely on fire this week as well. As you can see, my total value is $78.14. I own half a share. I am up $17.14. And that is a positive $28.10 return. And then last but not least, we have ATT. I will also probably be selling out of this position because I also own a nice size position in my Webull portfolio. And guys, that is the whole Sofi Invest portfolio. So if you guys are interested in getting started investing with Sofi Invest, I do have my link below in the description. And I mean, like I say, with as little as $25, guys, all I did was consistently invest that every single week. And as you can see, my net contribution of almost $1,500 is now up $300, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification so that you are notified when I create other videos like this, as well as be sure to check out other videos that I have on the channel. Again, I love talking about personal finances, sharing my investing journey, as well as helping you become the best version of yourself as I become the best version of myself. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Have an amazing day.